Beach day.
The sun was out bright and cheery. The birds were warm and happy, and quite round from feasting in the sun all morning. And Barnaby and Bo? They decided it was the perfect day for the beach. Barnaby tried to wrestle a beach towel into a neat roll, but the towel had other ideas. But at last, Barnaby rolled it up perfectly, and he looked mighty pleased with himself. Meanwhile, Bo was calmly packing the beach bag, shades, a good book, and a bunch of juicy carrots for lunch. They hopped down the boardwalk and finally found the perfect spot in the soft sand. "Hooray!" they said happily. Barnaby and Bo crunched their carrots for lunch. While Barnaby went off to explore, Bo settled down with a book. Barnaby discovered a plastic pail and shovel. He would build a fort, he decided. He dug, he piled, he sculpted. The fort slowly began to look, well, fortish. Then this happened, and Barnaby goes exploring. Bo decided to take a stroll down the shimmering shoreline. She walks like the birds for fun. Barnaby meets a hermit crab.
"Hey there, little buddy,"
Barnaby says, but the crab is, well, being crabby. A beach standoff. And then both go their separate ways. Barnaby catches up with Bo. Barnaby and Bo drink lemonade at Stripey the cat stand and carry on walking.
"Bye, Stripey. Thanks for the lemonade."
At a tide pool, they spot wonderful tiny creatures. Bo finds spiral shells.
Pretty.
Bo whispered. Barnaby puts a shell to his ear and listened. His eyes widened.
"The ocean is yelling at me!"
He yelled. Bo laughed.
That's just the sea sound, Barnaby.
Barnaby and Bo do a little happy dance by the waves. A little further, they spot something bobbing in the waves. A big, colorful, floating lifesaver. They waded in and hopped onto it together, and off they went. Gently drifting between a pod of dolphins who clicked and squeaked hello. They bobbed by a sailboat. Eventually, the waves carried them back to shore, rolling them onto the sand like a giant, giggly sea hug. By then, the sun was starting to yawn its way toward evening, and the shadows grew longer. Barnaby and Bo had a perfect day at the beach. Sunny skies, ocean sounds, dolphin hellos, and sand all over them, twinkling like stars in the sunset.